Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a 20 cent per free sign up. You don't have to do anything, you don't ask them to buy anything, just you're going to promote an offer, they're going to sign up, just they're going to pay a name and their email address, and you're going to make 20 cent over and over again. If they upgraded for premium membership, and you can earn 35% commission on that, nearly or 35% on $100 purchase, guys. So you're gonna get around $35 for that, but you don't have to worry about that. Just make them to sign up for free account and you can make 20 cent over and over again. I believe this method works worldwide and you don't have to spend any money to start up. And also, if you watch the video until the end, I'm going to show you how you can get where you can get the offer and how you can promote it and how you can get free traffic for that promotion. So 3 different sections. I'm going to walk you through the entire step, guys. Before that, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorials. I try to upload one video every day or every other day. And if you watch the video until then, you can win £10 PayPal money, guys. So what is this offer? The offer is we're gonna promote ID PLR ebooks. So this is a website, one of the best ID PLR, one of the best PLR website. The website is called idplr.com, where you can download PLR ebooks, videos, software that you can see product like ebooks, software, videos, template, graphics, and music that you can download. If you have a premium membership like me, then I paid lifetime access for $100. And I can download anything I want. If you don't have that kind of budget, then you can create a free account with them and you can download up to 200 product for that. That's right, 200 product for that. If you don't have the money, then you can download another, you can create another account, then you can download another 200 free product. This is the one trick you can do when you are in the beginner steps. All you have to do is you have to join the IDPLR website and come down in the bottom of the page and you have to click this called affiliate, and it will take you to this page where you can get affiliate link and you can promote their product and you can earn 20 cents per free sign up, which is not big money, but if you're able to get 100 people to sign up for that, and you're going to make $20. And believe me, guys, lots of people around the world searching for free products like a ebook to read or to learn. So you can promote this software or this website so they can download up to 200 free product, free ebook. They're definitely going to sign up for this offer and you can make 20 cents. And if they have money and if they upgraded for premium membership, and you can earn 35% commission for that, guys. So this is how it's gonna work. When you go to the affiliate page, this is way. But one thing about this, you need to have a ClickBank ID in order to promote that, because this is a ClickBank product. Either way, you can straight away go to ClickBank and get your affiliate link from there. If not, you can go to ClickBank IDPLR and go to affiliate page where you can put your ClickBank username, and you're going to generate a specific URLs for that. I put these URLs on the description. You can sign up today to get 200 free product. I earn 20 cents, so this is a disclaimer. Then you can promote that offers once you sign in, and this is how you're going to work, guys. But how you can promote it and how you can get traffic? We can use the social media, but if you watch the video until the end, I'm gonna show the simple way to trick the social media in order to get more impressions. So the social media started to promote your post in front of lots of people, and you can make it lots of sign up, and you can make that kind of money, guys. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to go to the Pinterest. And Pinterest now allow affiliate link, even ClickBank affiliate link allow to put it there. I'm going to walk you through the entire stuff. Basically what you have to do, go to Pinterest and look at these pins about free ebooks. You can see best website to get free ebooks legally. So these are the websites, how to create your website today. If you don't want that, free ebooks to grow your blog and income, something like that, right? So what you have to do, go to Canva and create a pin about this. So I bought 200 free ebook, download now. So okay, I download that pin, then go to Pinterest and create and add a create pin, and you can add the pin, and you can see they will allow to put a ClickBank affiliate link inside that without any issue, because I can show you in the past there's an issue that said they can't allow that, but now they are allowing that. So you're gonna put 200 free ebooks, and in the description you're gonna type like download up to 200 ebook now. put it there, and if you want you can put the hashtag like ebook free, then you can put free ebook, something like that, right? On the destination link, you go back to ID Pillar affiliate page and copy that and put it on here. And you need to create a new board because it's about ebooks. So I have already one to have a 99 ebook. I'm going to publish it there, and let's see what happens. See, the pin is published already without any issue. Now you can repeat the same pattern. You're going to copy and paste this sentence, download up to 200 free ebook, and you're going to put the link there. You can go to what you can do. You can go to bit.ly to shorten the link. If you don't want to, you can leave it there because it already shortened one. You can go to bit.ly if you want. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to Twitter. I'm gonna do the same thing. And you can put the hashtags. I don't know, forgot to put the hashtag, but you're gonna do the same thing. And you're gonna go to Facebook and gonna type free ebook and shorten the result by pages. And you can see these pages like 141 people are there, 362 people are there, and you can see 311,000 people are there, 22,000 people are there, nearly 1 million people on the free ebook download. You can join these pages and you can write some more posts, ask them to contact you for the free 200 free ebook. They will contact you, they will DM you, then you can send put your affiliate link there. They will click and sign up and they can download it and you can make 20 cents. Now these three things are okay, but how you can promote your post inside the social media, this is why two other websites come to play now. The first website called Do Like Hits, and the second website is called TraffUp, TRAFFUp.net. So basically what these two websites allow you to do, you can join them with them and you can like others Twitter, or you can retweet others tweet, and you can pin others pin, and you can comment or like and subscribe YouTube videos and channels, and you can gather the points and you can reuse the points for your post for Twitter or Pinterest or Facebook, guys. So you can do the same thing. I don't think of Facebook with it Do Like Hits, but you can use the Twitter and Pinterest if you want, guys. Also, if you go to Quora, it's the same thing. You can join and you can gather the points and you can use it. You can use Twitter, retweet, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, SoundCloud, and other community. Now, see, this is how you're gonna do with this website. When you like their post, when you subscribe to YouTube channels, or when you watch their videos, when you like their videos, you earn points, but you can't withdraw that points for money. At the same time, you can buy points for money. You can reuse that points for your post. So when you go to your Pinterest account or your Twitter or Facebook, click this post that you posted right now and get the URLs and put it on this website and set the points that you want to use them, and they promote that. And what happened is your post can start to get more engagement. So when those social media see that your post is starting to get more engagement, they tend to push your post in front of lots of people, so you can get organic click and organic traffic, guys. So those people will sign up and you earn money. This is a simple way that you can do it, and there's other way that you can write an article about it, you can make a video about it. So think about some different way to promote it, because once you set it up, when you promote it this once, and whenever the people click the link, it should be next month or year after, they click and sign up, you earn 20 cents. If they sign up for premium membership, you earn 35 commission for that, guys. I hope you understand this video, guys, and if you really like this video, leave a like, leave a comment. I like this video. Also, if this video get 100 likes, I will do the 10-pound giveaway. All you have to do is put your PayPal address in the description. And then have a good day. See you in the next video, guys.